So it's time for another dividend income video, and we're going to take a look at the month of August because I received 11 paychecks. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how my portfolio is doing, what were my buys and sells, who paid me those dividend checks, and how much I got in total. But before we begin, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Jed and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos and pretty much anything related to money. But right now, I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfolds or you just want to show your support, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and also sharing this video. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the main thing. So let's not waste any time. As you can see, I am on the dashboard of Webull. My net account value right now is $8,657.79. I am at a loss here at $414.93 or a 4.59% decrease in value. For today's gain though, I gained $116.71 or at least a 1.38% increase. As you can see that it just went up. But anyway, I still have a cash balance of $25.41, which I still have yet to use. But anyway, I still have 15 positions right here: ABBVO, EPD, STAG, OHI, FTS, MAIN, JPM, NYCB, STORE, ABR, MMM, PDI, GOOD, and GNL. Now, this has already been sorted out and kind of like arranged or organized based on PNL. So the very one right here, the very top 5 movers right here is ABBV with $82.55 or a 13.36% increase. Next one right here is O at $81.93 or an 8.69% increase. And then EPD here, $80.72 or an 18.05% increase. Then STAG, $28.80 or a 2.66% increase. And then finally, we have OHI at $14.05 or a 9.46% increase. Now let's take a look at the bottom 5 right here. So we have GNL, GOOD, PDI, MMM, and ABR. So GNL still is the bottomest, the most, I guess. You know, I think I keep saying it's the most bottomest. It's so weird, like English weird. But anyway, GNL is still the loser here, the biggest loser at $282.36, 21.31% loss. The next one is GOOD at $88.82 or an 8.43% loss. PDI is next at $74.41 or a 10.17% loss. And then we have MMM or 3M at $60.41 or a 14.32% loss. And then ADR at $57.30 or a 16.26% loss. Now in terms of percentages right here and kind of like raw value amount or raw dollar value right here, the biggest winner here is obviously AbbVie, and then the biggest loser is GNL with $282. AbbVie with, as you can see right here, $82. Now percentage wise though, when it comes to like, you know, the biggest movers, it would be EPD with 18%, which is pretty amazing, you know. As for, you know, percentage wise for the bottom 5, the biggest one is still GNL with 21.31% decrease. GNL is basically the biggest of all, you know, biggest of all losers. And those are the top 5 biggest movers and the biggest losers for my portfolio. So now let's take a look at my buys and sells for the month of August. So I've already filtered this out. This is only from August 1 to August 31st, and I only have 2 transactions right here. As you can see, I have MMM and then NYCB. So for MMM, I only bought 1 share at $106.50, and that was back on the 29th of August. And then finally, I got NYCB, 4 shares at $9.98 on the same date as well when I bought the 3M share at 9.98, like I said earlier. But anyway, that's pretty much it. You know, very short. I didn't do any selling at all because I feel like I'm very comfortable with the positions that I am in right now. I just really need to add more so that I can increase my dividends every month. But anyway, let's take a look at my dividends for the month of August now. And here are the dividends for the month of August. Let's scroll down over here. The first one is JP Morgan on the very 1st of August at $3 right here. And the next is PDI or PIMCO Dynamic Income Fund on the same date, $5.73. And then I have EPD on the 12th, $9.50. And then AbbVie on the 15th, $7.05. Same day, actually, I have 5 pairs on the 15th. Main Street Capital, $2.15. Omega Healthcare or OHI on the 15th as well, $3.35. And then STAG, $4.38. And then finally, I got Realty Income or O, $3.71. Now scrolling back up right here, I got NYCB on the 18th, $2.72, and then ABR on the 31st, $7.80. And then finally, we got Gladstone Commercial or GOOD or GOOD, $6.27. Overall, it would total to $55.66 for the month of August. So August is another $50 month, which is really amazing because prior to that month, in July, I also received like $50 as well. So I really do hope that I can maintain that sort of trajectory. At least, you know, I know like if you've been following my videos, especially with my dividend income updates, you'll notice that there are specific months that are not kind of like in that trajectory where I want it to go, kind of like going up. So basically for next month, it's not gonna be the same anymore for this month's results. However, I'm still happy because that is $50. And actually, if we go back now to our comparisons, here's what it looks like. So if you compare August to July, I received $58.12, but for August, I only received $55.66. That's basically down by $2.46 or a 4.23%. But anyway, for the previous quarter, May 2022, that's $52.82. But for August, that's obviously a little bit bigger. That's up by $2.84. Now, really amazing. That's what I really wanted to see as well, at least in comparison to the previous quarter. If we compare what I earned today to last year, though, August 2021, I only received $34.91. So if you can actually see that already, that's up by $20.75. So that is a very, very big bump compared to last year. Now, overall, my monthly, quarterly, and yearly comparisons are actually looking really great, except for that monthly comparison. It's down by at least $2, but it's not something to be worried about because it's just $2. I am gonna keep working hard to increase my monthly dividends by adding more to my portfolio. But anyway, let's take a look at my year-to-date dividend earnings. So first, let's take a look at my year-to-date earnings starting from January to August. So for those 8 months, I've already received $376.16. Now for my average monthly dividends, I'm already at $31.35. But for my average quarterly, I'm at $94.04. And the same with the monthly, it is still missing 4 months. So those values will not be very clear until we get to the end of the year. But anyway, those numbers are still something that I really like to look at because they are growing. But anyway, my monthly average for my trailing 12 month is actually at $41.61. Which is an increase of at least 6 cents compared to last month. So there you go, guys. Those are my averages and comparisons for the month of August. As for my final thoughts regarding this result for the month of August, it's pretty amazing. A $20 increase compared to kind of like last year. A little bit of disappointing because of the monthly comparison, but still overall good results in my opinion. There is definitely more to be done in order for me to increase my dividends every month, and that is what I'm going to do this September. I really need to think about this quarter's earnings because it will be far below than what I have received for the past 2 months. But with my new plan to increase my monthly contributions to my stock portfolio, I feel like this is going to be a very good investment in the long run because obviously I'm going to increase my dividends if I start adding more to my portfolio every month. Now I'm really excited to see this portfolio grow because I feel like I can actually achieve some of my financial goals, even maybe beyond that. So if you guys are very excited to see more updates from my portfolio, let me know in the comments below what you want to see more as well. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so that you get updated whenever I post new content just like this one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments just like I said. If you are on Instagram, please add me there at DailyDread as a friend so that we can chat, collaborate, and maybe even exchange some ideas. Thank you again so much for watching the entire video. Have an awesome and wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!